Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I decided to start a YouTube channel to start documenting the cars I work on. This is not my first car, but this is a very interesting car. It's a barn find, 1964 Ford Mustang. This is actually the 64 and a half. They made it for 2 years, I believe, and it got the 260 engine. Also a hard to find engine since they only made it for those 2 years. After that it became the 289 engine, then 30 something, but this is the V8 model, not the inline 6 model. It hasn't been ran since 2010, I believe. I just recently put a new tires on it. It was very hard to find one with a white borderline outline. It's blue now, it just needs to be washed. But the interior is in perfect condition. It's an automatic. Some damage here on the door, nothing that can't be fixed. Red leather, carpet looks perfect. And it got AC system, Ventomatic or something like that it was called. I was surprised that it has an AC. It even got a compressor inside. No rust on the underbody. Here's the V8, the 260 V8. That's the AC compressor here. It's definitely an R12 Freon, not the newer Freon. 1964. There's a lot of droppings here. This is not the original carb. This is an aftermarket carb. I see the cap been replaced. Original alternator. I checked the voltage on the battery. I just dropped this battery in. It's pretty good. The engine did turn when I tried to start it, so I know it's not seized engine. That's the mechanical fuel pump. I'm gonna be changing almost every maintenance item in this car, flushing the fuel because it smells really bad, flushing the oil, and then try to start it, and hopefully it starts. So here's all the maintenance item that I already ordered for the car. I have a new carb, of course. I couldn't find the original carb. That's another aftermarket carb, so hopefully it works good. If it works, I'll probably add the link where I got it from in the description. I got a new air filter, the chrome one, new valve covers, oil, new mechanical fuel pump. That's gonna be an important part to get it running. New spark plug, new coil pack over here, valve cover gaskets. So yeah, first step, I'm gonna power wash the whole car. I'm gonna cover up the intake area and power wash the engine so I can work on it while it's all clean and not dusty and ugly like that. And then I'm gonna flush the fuel, flush the oil, and get to work.